Are you a health coach and do you want to master your personal finances? So, this is the video for you. Hi, my name is Dr. Nitin and I help health coaches to build their health coaching business and health coaching career. Uh, so, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel so that you will get future updates related to any health coaching business and health coaching related career. So, first of all, I want to give you a disclaimer that this today's topic is going to be a financial topic, and I'm not a financial advisor. But the tips and ideas that I'm going to share today are based on my personal experience, my personal opinion, and the things that have actually worked for me. Okay, so I'm going to talk about those things. So it does not mean a professional or like very SEBI registered advice. Okay, so but the things have worked for me, and I'm sure it will work for you also. So there are certain reasons as a health coach why you need to do financial planning for yourself. Your personal finances are very important. So the thing is that you need to have a stability in your income. That is the number one reason. And you need to plan for your retirement savings. You need to maybe need for like tax planning. You need to manage your debts or loans, and you need to prepare for your emergency fund. You need to have or look for investment opportunities, and you need to have maybe sufficient insurance coverage. That's why you need to do financial planning. You need to do if you are into health coaching business, then you need to do budgeting for your business expenses, and you need to maybe you might be having some long term financial goals. So for that also you need to do financial planning. So basically if you are already in business, or maybe in job or some kind of health coaching career, you need to manage your fluctuating income. So for that purpose also you need to do financial planning. So if you are let me know in the comment section, what do you think, what is your personal reason that you need to do your financial planning? Because the reasons I mentioned may not be applicable for you. Your reasons might be something different. So let me know in the comment section. And when why it is critical for you, because when you want to write in the comment section, you need to think, and then you will understand what are actual deeper and more personal reasons for you why you need to do your financial planning. So do not comment for me, comment for yourself. Okay. Then again, I want to repeat the disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor or a financial expert. These are purely things based on my personal experiences, and it has worked for me, and I hope it will work for you also. So do not take it as a expert or registered financial advice. So when you want to do financial planning, there are certain steps that you need to follow. So first you need to set a financial goal, because without financial goal you will not understand where you want to go, what are the things that you need to control or you need to manage. Then you need to assess your current financial situation, because if you don't know your current situation, how you can determine or plan for your future, right? So that's why the current assessment is very critical, so that you do not overestimate or underestimate your plans and goals. You need to have a budget, whether it's your personal life or your business life. You need to have that budget so that you do not overspend or underspend, because likewise, like overspending is bad for you, underspending is also bad for you. So that's why you need to have that budget and make sure that you optimally spend the amount assigned to that particular category. You do not need to do micromanagement on like individual items, but on a more of a category level or a group level, you need to have that budget. Then you need to have emergency fund, very critical, because you never know. Though you are a health coach, you might be also fall sick, or there might be some family emergency, healthcare related, or some medical emergency in your family. So for that you need to be prepared and you need to have that emergency fund. Typically financial planners advise at least 6 months of emergency corpus, which is a typically no touchy fund. Like at any cost, do not use that money for any reasons. Do not, like, I want to buy a iPhone. The emergency fund is not for iPhone, or maybe for laptop or any Goa trip. Okay, it is for strictly for emergency situations only. Then you need to manage your debts. So your debts from your home loan, or maybe your credit card loans, or personal loans, or any other business loans, or it could be anything. You need to manage them well. There are different ways to manage those debts. If you want to know more about managing the different ways, let me know in the comment section. I will create a separate detailed tutorial for it, because if I try to cover that here, it will be very long video and maybe you will get bored. So let me know in the comment section. I will read your comments over there, and I will create a detailed tutorial. And the next step is you need to invest for your future, because saving is good, but only saving will not help. You need to invest that money, and maybe you can take a financial expert advice, and you can make investments accordingly. There are various tools for making those investments also, when where you can do investment. There are various apps available for financial investment. So I would recommend you consult with the SEBI registered financial advisor, and with their consultation you can do those investment. You need to plan for your retirement also. So I would like to say it as a financial freedom instead of retirement, because I feel that sometimes when you talk about retirement, people might feel that it's a negative term. So financial freedom is a more positive term. So whatever you call it, financial planning, financial freedom, or retirement planning, that's up to you. But you have to make arrangement for it, so that you do not have to be dependent on somebody else money for managing those finances, or you are fulfilling your day-to-day needs or your business expenses. You need to be have that independence, like for spending your own money for your own expenses. Then you need to you need to obtain appropriate insurance coverage for yourself, for your family, for your dependents. Okay. uh, then you need to monitor and adjust that plan regularly. So if you want to know more about this insurance plans also, because there are variety of insurances available, let me know in the comment section what are your typical requirements. Your, like, what questions do you have? Let me know in the comment section, and I will create a tutorial for that. As I mentioned, you need to seek professional advice if needed. Do not be solely dependent on my advice. I have shared the things which have helped me, which I see are working for me. So these are typically my personal experience. So I hope this video has helped you, and have you given it has given you some clarity, some advice, some guidance, some direction. And if you feel this video has helped you and given you some guidance and direction, please let me know in the comment section, and also share with your friends, family, so that they also get some guidance and clarity. Okay. uh, and if you have any questions related to this video, or something related to financial planning, let me know in the comment section. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, because it gives me a boost and motivation. It gives me indication that my videos are being helpful for you, because it takes a lot of effort to create and research the topics and the points. It may seem a 10-minute video, but it takes a very longer time, so until it reaches you. So please support me, so that I can create more and more tutorials for you. And that's all for now. We'll meet again. This is Dr. Nitin signing out. Bye bye.